Okay, we still want this side?
Ready? Doesn't matter. They're all the same. What do you think?
We want that side.
You want the side?
Yeah, we're switching. Send it.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Okay, actually, you know what? It's our choice, right?
You trying to what, everything?
Yeah, we get to choose
No,
everything.
no, they want to flip. That's right. Okay.
Yeah, you want? We have
We
some
get to choose
Are you
everything.
allowed to change your mind?
fucking crumbs.
Are you allowed to change your mind? Unless you're lucky you're so nice.
Oh, fuck that.
Oh yeah, this feels way better. Actually, I like this.
Oh, good, good.
Way better.
ball and side.
Wake them up with some fucking rollers, man. Let's go.
This is way better. Way better.
Let's give these guys a foosball game. That was a fucking carnival.
Okay, you boys ready? Ready.
Whoa! Just kidding.
Lucky shot.
Can I take two for
What
that
do
one?
you want? Make four sixes.
Just one?
I don't know.
Just one?
Just hurt my hand.
Alright.
Ready? Ready. Ready.
Whoa!
Okay, I'm gonna go.
This is the bank side.
Good chicken.
Thanks. Now they're throwing it over.
That's the last one of those you're gonna get.
Aw, don't be like that.
This is the bank side. You should have stayed there.
Ready?
Ready. Ready.
Oh, nice.
Ready?
Ready. Ready. Get one. There we go. Right there.
Whoa!
It's not a good take hard.
Oh, wow. That's up. Oh, wow. Here we go. Oh, nice shot. Oh! Wow. Oh! Here we go. No. Oh, nice shot.
Teeing it up for me.
Wow.
Can you have your player not talk when he's shooting?
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, is that? Oh, me? Yeah, sorry.
Ready?
Ready.
Oh. Wow, nice shot.
Yes, sir.
Ready? Don't show it.
Guys.
Okay, it's okay. That's what I played in.